Welcome to today's video of Hooked On Tool. We are going to focus on a DIY project today, which you can follow along to create a hanger for your tools and other things such as a bidet shower in your bathroom. You can also use this method to adjust external wiring inside your home so that wires do not make a mess. For this, you will need a piece of 1 PVC pipe. Get a saw blade and start cutting a piece off from the top, like we are doing here. Make sure that it is a clean cut and that you do not use too much force as to damage the pipe. We will cut off a piece like this one, while also cutting this piece open from the side, which we will show you how to do next. Hold the pipe up vertically as we have, and simply cut from only one side like we are doing. You can see how we have cut it sideways like this, and now we will show you how to attach it to walls and use it as a hanger for tools, as well as other things. Place the PVC pipe piece you cut up against the wall, exactly where you want to hang it. Then, get a screw, as well as a screwdriver. Place the screw towards the top, as we have done here, and twist it in using the screwdriver. You can see how easily we fix the pipe piece into the wall by doing this, and how it will not move off the wall even if we push it. Now we will show you how to hang tools on this hanger. For instance, look at this hammer. That's how easy it is to place a hammer on this hanger, and it will not fall off because the hanger is firmly in place. Similarly, if you have a bidet shower in your washroom, but the holder broke off, you can use this method to hang it. Look at how easily our bidet shower fits into the hanger, and easily slides out of it as well. To use this method for wiring, you will need to attach the PVC pipe piece sideways, instead of vertically like we did. We will adjust this piece sideways to show you how to handle wiring, but you should attach it sideways in the first place. Once it is sideways, just place a PVC pipe inside the piece like we have, and then your wiring can go through this pipe. This will not make a mess on the floor, and is a completely safe method of handling external wiring in your home. These are a few things that this easy DIY hanger is great for. We hope that any or all of these methods are useful to you, and that you like this simple instruction video. Like this video and subscribe to Hooked On Tool if you want more videos like this.